Now we are in exercise 23C. We'll see question number 1, where it is written solve, find A. Solve for A. If it is given, one of the question I am solving, third number, it is given sin 3A is equal to root 3 by 2. So if we see trigonometric table, you will find that sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So it implies that sin 3A will be equal to sin 60 degree. We will compare this angle to this one. It implies that 3A will come out as 60 degree. Hence value of A will come out as 60 by 3, that is equal to 20 degree. So this is question number 2, where again you have to calculate the value of A. If what is given, sec 2A minus 1 into cosec 3A minus 1. So you people have already solved such type of question when we have discussed algebra. So in algebra, if this type of case is there, so this one is individually equal to 0 and this one is individually equal to 0. So it implies that sec 2A minus 1 is equal to 0 or cosec 3A minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that sec 2A will come out as 1 and sec 2A means what? 1 by cos 2A is equal to 1 by 1. So this will give you cos 2A is equal to 1. And you know that 1 in cos means cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So this 2A will be equal to 0. So 2A is equal to 0 degree, hence A will come out as 0. Second part we will see. From here cosec 3A will be equal to 1. And as you know, cosec is 1 by sin A. It is 1 by sin 3A is equal to 1. So sin 3A will also come out as 1. And in sin 1 means sin 90 degree. It implies that 3A will be equal to 90. 3A will come out as 90 degree. Hence A will come out as 30 degree. Hence we'll write the answer. Hence A is equal to 0 degree and 30 degree, and that will come out as your answer. So now we are in question number 7. It is given if 2 cos 2A is equal to root 3 and A is acute, means its value will lie between 0 to 90 degree. You have to find A, you have to find sin 3A, you have to find sin square 75 degree minus A plus cos square 45 degree plus A. So at first we will start with this information. Solution for 1 we are calculating. It is given 2 cos 2A is equal to root 3. So what we will do, 2 will be transposed. Cos 2A will come out as root 3 by 2. And in cos root 3 by 2 means cos 30 degree. So what will happen, this 2A will be equal to this 30 degree. It will give you A is equal to 15 degree. So question number 1 answer has come. Now I'll come to second part. You have to calculate sin 3A. So sin 3A will be sin 3 into this A, that is equal to 15 degree. That is equal to sin 45 degree. And sin 45 is 1 by root 2. This will be your answer. Third part is sin square 75 degree minus A plus cos square 60 degree, 45 degree plus A. We'll put the value of A. It is sin square 75 degree minus A, as you know, 15 degree. Cos square 45 degree plus 15 degree. It is sin square 75 minus 15 is 60 degree. It is cos square 45 plus 15 is 60 degree. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Since square is here, so it is root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square. After squaring, it will come out as 3 by 4. It will come out as 1 by 4. We'll take LCM, it will be 3 plus 1. 4 by 4, your result will come out as 1. This is final part of your answer. So now we are in question 11, where you have to find the magnitude of angle A such that information is provided. 2 sin A into cos A minus 2 sin A plus 1. What we'll do, we'll start solving. Between this and this, cos A is common. So we'll take cos A as common. So if cos A is taken, so 2 sin A is left. And from here cos A is taken, so 1 is left. Between two nothing is common, so we'll take 1 as common. So it will be 2 sin A and minus plus is minus 1. So two factors, one of the factor is 2 sin A minus 1 and the second factor is cos A minus 1. That is equal to 0. It will give you 2 sin A minus 1 is equal to 0 or this cos A minus 1. It is just like middle term splitting when we were reading algebra. So this will give you 2 sin A is equal to 1, which will give you sin A is equal to 1 by 2, and in sin 1 by 2 means sin 30 degree. So A will be equivalent to 30, your answer will be A is equal to 30. Here cos A minus 1 will be shifted, and in cos A is equal to 1 and cos 0 is 1. So A will be equal to 0, hence A will come out as 0. Hence your answer will be, hence A is equal to 30 degree comma 0. Now see the second question. You have to do big term splitting like algebra. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will split middle term. 2 cos square A. 3 will write 2 plus 1 into cos A plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be 2 cos square A minus 2 cos A minus plus minus cos A plus 1 is equal to 0. Between these two will take 2 cos A common. So 2 cos A is taken common, so cos A is left. From here 2 cos A is taken, so 1 is left. Between these two nothing is common, so 1 is common. So it is cos A minus 1. So two factors are, one factor is, first factor is this one, cos A minus 1, and second factor is 2 cos A minus 1. 2 cos A minus 1 is equal to 0. This will give you, here I am writing, this will give you cos A is equal to 1. Cos A is equal to 1 means cos 0 degree. So this will give you A is equal to 0 degree. And this will give you 2 cos A is equal to 1 or cos A is equal to 1 by 2. And in cos 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. So this will give you A is equal to 60 degree. Hence your answer will be A is equal to 0 degree plus, and this is 60 degree, comma 60 degree. This will be your answer. Now we are in question number 12. You have to find the value of x if this is given 2 cos 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 and this is given cos x by 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. So let do 2 cos 3x minus 15. 2 will shift. This 2 will be shifted this side, that is equal to 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 in cos means cos 60 degree. So what will happen? This value will be equivalent to this value. So 3x minus 15 will be 60. It implies that 3x will, this 15 will be transposed. 60 plus 15, that is equal to 75 degree. So x will come out as 75 by 3, that is equal to 25 degree. Here cos x by 2 plus 10 is root 3 by 2, that is equal to cos 30 degree is actually root 3 by 2. So what will happen? This value will be equal to this one. So x by 2 plus 10 degree, that is equal to 30. So x by 2 will come out as 30 degree. This 10 will be shifted, so minus 10. So x by 2 will come out as 20 degree. We will do cross multiplication. 2 will multiply to 20. So x will be 20 into 2, that is equal to 40 degree. This will be your answer.